Pillars of Islam. Islam is built upon 5 pillars, which are the core beliefs and practices of a Muslim. The 5 pillars of Islam constitute the framework of a Muslim's life. The first pillar is Shahada, a declaration of faith that there is no God worthy to worship except Allah, and that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This must be understood and uttered aloud by anyone embracing Islam. The second pillar is Salat, the 5 daily prayers in Islam, performed at different times while facing Mecca, at dawn, midday, mid-afternoon, sunset, and early evening. Each prayer takes less than 10 minutes. The third pillar is Zakat. Every Muslim is required, according to their means, to give part of their wealth to help those in need. Fourth pillar is fasting during Ramadan. Muslims over the age of puberty must abstain from eating, drinking, and sexual intercourse from sunrise to sunset during the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, Ramadan. The purpose of this is to show compassion to those suffering hunger while simultaneously achieving spiritual growth. Fifth pillar is Hajj, a pilgrimage journey to Mecca, the holiest site in Islam. Each Muslim is expected to make the journey once in a lifetime if they are able to do so physically and financially. The Hajj takes place in the last month of the Islamic calendar.